Hey party people on the interweb, Mr. Domestic here to do an unboxing of a box that I honestly forgot that I had and needed to unbox for all of you, but it's a beginner crochet kit. There's a few projects in here, lessons on Bluprint that you can learn how to crochet. So if you've ever wanted to try, or maybe have struggled, or see what I'm doing, or you're a veteran and just want some more yarn, this is the box for you. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is honestly just as much a mystery to you as it is to me because I forgot what was in it, but I am pretty certain that it is amazing. I did one of these beginner knitting boxes, did not know how to knit, thought I did, couldn't pick it up, and now I can knit. I'm like, what? So if you've never crocheted, you probably could learn from this kit. So today you're a crochet artist. I always love the presentation of these boxes. They're super neat, super professional, next level. Here's the pattern for a headband, a hat, scarf, and a cowl. Let's look at it closer. Right here. Those are foxy. Look at that. Look at that. That's the headband. That's the hat. That right there is the scarf. And then that right there is the cowl. Okay, these are really nice. So I changed my mind. I'm not going to give this away. I'm just going to show it to you. And I'm going to make these projects myself. I'm totally kidding. Like, I'm totally kidding. These are awesome. These are for you. So that's what's in here. It comes with a tote. I'll open it up so you can see it. No, it's sealed. I won't do that. Here's a tote. It's a canvas. No, I will do it. I'm going to open it. You want to see it? Right here. Ta-da, ta-da. It's a nice tote. Who doesn't need another tote, right? Ta-da, it's made out of canvas. Shows all of the different things that you can do at Bluprint. Like, there's a lot. Sewing, crafting, embroidery, knitting, crochet. So there is that. These are the hooks. Right here, it's a Notions kit. It will come with, let's look, right here. Ta-da. Right here, it comes with some small scissors. One size hook, which is an M or 9mm. Another size hook, which is a J, 6mm. This size is my most favorite. I use it on most of my projects. So I'm just going to move this box over here, show you the different yarns, make it look cute, like for a picture, since people like cute stuff. These colors are great. Here's a button. What's the button for? Oh, the headband. Oh, I'm going to come up with ideas. Sprightly. Sprightly. And then right here. Sprightly, sprightly. This is a lot of yarn. But ta-da! These are the yarns. I've worked with all of these yarns. They all are unique and different and for different projects. So it's great that there's a variety for all of you to play with. After doing like some small crochet projects with like a 3mm needle, it's really cool to like jump up to a 9. So yay for that. This button's for here. Let's just look at the colors. Okay, so this one is like a pea green, moss green, and it's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. This one takes a J or a 6mm hook, and it's really buoyant, fluffy. It has wool in there, but it's really soft and luxe here. And here's another acrylic wool worsted in like an oatmeal. This one is like, ooh, it's like a blue-gray. This is actually the color that I'm going to permanently dye my hair whenever it comes in the mail. I'm excited about that. And this right here, it's a super bulky. I made Helena's big purple blanket. I have it in my blog if you wanted to see it, out of this yarn. It like crocheted up really easily and really fast. So I like that and that. This is like a... It's like a purple. It's a kind of purple. I don't know the color for the purple. It's not aubergine. I don't know. And then this one is like a gray taupe. I don't know. I'm just making up colors. But then this one is acrylic wool. Acrylic wool. Okay. It's an 80-20 blend as well. This one right here is 100% acrylic. Their acrylics are slightly softer, slightly fluffier. But it's good for you to try all of these. And then this one right here is the Spectrum worsted. I actually made a cowl for my mom using this. The colors are gorgeous. The way that it self-stripes is gorgeous. I love the ombre effect of it. So yeah, these are really amazing projects. I'm really excited that I get to share this with all of you, because if you're not a crocheter already, that means there's going to be one more crocheter in the house with the pattern. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So, you probably want to know how to win this awesome sauce box. All you have to do is comment in the comments. That's it. Say whatever. I mean, if you write like a super negative comment, I'm probably not going to like pick you. But say like something awesome you're doing right now, how you're taking care of yourself with self-care. If you are a crocheter, what's your favorite type of project? Like, just think of something, and let's make this a community of awesome comments down there where people can be inspired and happy and joyful. And I'm looking forward to picking the winner in a week. I'll have the exact date in the description, and I will ship it off, all sanitized environment. I got this way before everything started, but just make sure to sanitize it whenever you get it at home. So I hope you enjoyed this box, this video, the happy joy of life. And everyone, make sure to keep it positive. Once again, if you can't, please stay off the internet. I know it's getting harder and everyone has opinions, but the more kindness we put into the world right now, the better off we will all be. So keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.